So we're a family farming company. We're farming 590 hectares. We're about 2 miles north of Gloucester, farming alongside the River Severn and the River Leaden. The best soil is nearest the river, and I'm guessing that's from where soil's deposited over generations of floods. We try and direct drill as much as we can and avoid ploughing, and that's really helped. I've noticed in the last 2 or 3 years since we've been doing it, an improvement in soil structure and water holding capacity. Year on year, if I find an issue with a field, for example, these fields, last year they were arable. However, we've had a number of years where we've not been able to plant them just due to how wet the fields are. We've decided to put this block into grass and aim for improved habitat for wildlife. The main reason being, if we wanted to plant it for arable, we were having to physically drain it, or it was flooding in spring. So we do a bit of hay, but we largely graze any grass on the farm. Our livestock is also integrated into our arable system, so naturally a lot of our grassland is in the floodplain. We have very little grassland out of the floodplain. So if we've got a winter arable block that is just sitting bare, we won't let it sit bare. We'll plant a cover crop so that it helps provide some forage for we graze our sheep and cattle across it through the winter to give them something to go at, because as you can see, some of this grassland is a bit wet through the winter. So we've a number of floodplains. This one in particular, where we're putting some higher tier scheme options. We're sort of trying to have a range of habitat for wildlife. That's one of the main reasons we've sort of this year left one field not as grass, but left it with regrowth, and the regrowth produces seeds, they fall, leaves cover, and I've sort of cut areas of cover so that they've got a range of options, either cover or no cover, and they seem to really enjoy it.